ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress hakakat kan Tarik Risau Araja Pulai. Kalau langi ki Samla juga jela Meghalaya hakalum pungba kabla long hanong ba Shillong. Ban Pynkhreh ya ka Bharat Jodo Yatra ka ba Rahul Gandhi ulasdang ya ka jinga kijat Nadu Kanyakumari Shadu Jammu and Kashmir. Presiden juga Youth Congress ba Adrian C. Melim. Hakajing ekran bagi lap thai kubor ulai thu ba kajing pelong ya kini kelumpung ba kadai kajing sedang ban Pynkhreh ya kajing elang ki behe ban sepelong habarok kowe ke jela Meghalaya.
When we talk about democracy, actually, democracy would have been beautiful. No, we're talking about the democracy that is going to be slaughtered or, it will be cut off. But we have to make sure that each and every individual take responsibility of this beautiful democracy. How do we make it beautiful? By convincing the people that each and every one of us is responsible for what it may happen or it is happening right now. Democracy is beautiful unless and until each and every one of us participate in it. One of my friends were talking about they hate politics. I said, if you hate politics, then don't talk about what is happening within the society. Unless and until you take part, then don't talk about the potholes from your colony. Don't talk about the price rise in the society. Don't talk about any ugliness that is happening within our society. So politics is so beautiful, it can be the backbone of the society, but unless and until you know how to take responsibility, you know how to become a responsible man.
Today I wish to share a vision, a dream that we as Congress Party has choose to our hearts, a vision of advocacy and potential action shaped by the aspiration and dreams of every young individual in this room and across the state. So I would like to talk about the Congress commitment to an unemployment-free Meghalaya, which we had focused during the course of State Assembly election, recently held State Assembly election in the month of February. We should target these two Lok Sabha seats and keep working hard so that we can strengthen Rahulji's hand, we can strengthen Khargeji's hand, we can strengthen Congress Party. And it is not some rocket science. You can easily do it. You are all, those who are sitting in this hall and those who are not able to join today, they're all very educated, very smart, with great potential. You know everything. How to propagate your policies till down below, which you can do. The only issue is the sincerity has to come out and we have to be on the road from tomorrow onwards only. If we can do that, we will definitely win this election. Having said that, that doesn't mean that we don't have to do anything from AIC. We will also have to do a lot of things from AICC, as my friend Salim keeps asking for. So what we have to do, we will do definitely. But now it is the responsibility of each and every member of this party, each and every supporter of this party to ensure that we work hard till the elections.
Lisbon ipi boro kawan penito ba basong takaliang kadiang jonga ide IYC General Secretary berkumjur pada in charge yang Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress berkuju kopor Assam Pradesh Youth Congress Dr. Smuti Ranjan Lengka berdirikat bagi te balai ngi perlong ya kenika convention Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Convention ba hakoi kaliang kejongi kwa let's say balong berpinkan mau ki pajba ba Rahul Gandhi ulale ya ke Bharat Jodo Yatra Bangi baga jingle jong Rahul Gandhi yakine baro kalong kakta yangi namarba ke jingle ke jungu kadai bukwa panwanra kata ke politics om kumlale kiwi ki parti panwanra ke jingye pher jingmut henry ke jingkwa ke jungu kadai pane penteli yangi kumba ki ong kata ke politics not of hatred but of love tagada ni nile ekne convention ko man penken mau ki pajba barha ke juga por lese ki don ki bampatte bru Rahul Gandhi lale kene ke Bharat Jodo Yatra Kabau layat nado napo Shatisha Rum Madonna Kenya Kumar Barshado Shah Jammu and Kashmir layat hakpo hadu 1,100 kilometer ye barhakani ke jingle ke jungungi ibu kwa un peniteli ya kani keri India jungi borok kowe om man ya tho ya noino om man ya krokti ya noino henry hakwe ke jingkwa ke jungu nomor komang itip ke India ke jungi ni bonjat ki culture ni bonjat ki tin henry ke jingkwa ke jungu kadai om bagi ni penia pher jingmot iwe lada kadai hakanyam ane ka rukom ke jungi henry penia penteli jangi nakaliang ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress balai ngibo ekne convention balai ngi hosiaka man penken mau ki pajba barha jo ka poru banyawer ki parlok samla nomor kumbang itip haunis nam arjar pusau kan sawan ke election MP bakane kan long kumban penken detya ki baro nomor kapor klajan bangi kwa ban penyeteli ya baro ki parlok samla ki bayadon bangi bosulha kini don ringkat baka Congress Party ke jungi marngi sutuhi batangha Congress Party lingba ke jingi alam jong Rahul Gandhi bangi yo kata ke politics amon penyap herjimot Henry penyeteli ya kani kaladon ke plan Henry pat nomor bangi sutu baka MP election kelajan bar Rahul Gandhi buri-buri bubunkam ba mentas ngiru lalu sa Telangana nomor ba Telangana ru ka de state ke pansalong election huni 9 November te ngimla on patai tikna Henry ka plan kaladon lupa banlai ka Bharat Jodo Yatra po Meghalaya te kani ka along le sekum ke jingsedang na kalian ke jungi Malaysia dikiwan la shairu ngila kloy ban pediang yaki beraka juga por ban yawer ya borok ki pajba apo kani ka state Meghalaya ke jungi kidon ki program om ban namar kani ka daitang apo khasi hills menta ka daitang ke jingsedang Henry ya keleng ke state Hagaro Hills ungin le berkawai rungin le hi ke program ke bahet menta ke state jungi hi borok kawai bat om tang kita Henry grassroots program su gin saya le na kalian juga parti bagi dang bon hi ki program te kani ka daitang ke jingsedang kumlawang epi kumila batai hakmat bakani ke jingele ke jungi ni habanle grassroots campaigning ni habanle chaman la kishnong malaki district barha ka juga poru ni habanle hi bane kendo ya ki lesi ki ki samla barki pajba mari masuk ke election kamen kamde bangin ya penpau tengah ke media henringi hab hi bane tur shamadan marka jing persuto ya ki pajba kawal ling bakani